In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Zendesk tickets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect during the export, and a few smart tips to make the process smoother. First, sign into your Zendesk support account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to export data. If you don't see export options later on, it may be because your role doesn't allow exports, so you might need to check with an administrator. Once you're in, head to the sidebar and click the Views icon. Views are where Zendesk groups tickets into lists, such as All Unsolved or Recently Solved. Open the view that contains the set of tickets you want. This is a great moment to be intentional. The export will include everything currently shown in that view, so consider using filters or choosing a more specific view if you want a smaller, more targeted CSV. Keeping exports focused can speed things up and make the file easier to work with. At the top right of the view panel, look for the menu or an Export CSV button. Depending on your layout, you might see a button labeled Export CSV directly, or you may need to click Actions and then choose Export as CSV. Both routes do the same thing. Zendesk occasionally updates the interface, so go with whichever option appears in your account. After you start the export, Zendesk queues the job in the background. This means you won't download the file immediately. Instead, Zendesk will send you an email when the file is ready, and that email will include a secure link to download your CSV. The time it takes varies with the size of your export. For smaller views, it may only take a moment. Larger sets can take longer. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if you don't see the message after a while, check your spam or junk folder. When you receive the email, follow the link to download your CSV. You can open this file in spreadsheet tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. The CSV will contain columns that map to your ticket fields, which makes it easy to sort, filter, and analyze your data offline or share it with your team. As a best practice, handle the file carefully and only share it with people who should have access to ticket data. That's it. Sign in, open the right view, choose Export as CSV, and wait for the email with your download link. With this workflow, you'll have your Zendesk tickets ready for reporting, auditing, or analysis in just a few clicks.